Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hopefully all of you will be fine inshallah. I am your maths teacher Miss Sabiha from Bahria College Majid 2 Camp. My dear students, today I will teach you about the topic numbers up to 1 billions. In previous class 4, you have already learned the concept of 100 millions. Now we move one step ahead and will learn the concept of 1 billion. Most of the countries use international number system, and in this system we split the number into groups and periods to understand easily. You can see in the image, in the first period consists of units, in which the number further split into ones, tens and hundreds. The second period consists of thousand, in which further number shows 1000 place, 10,000 place and 100,000 place. And in the third period of international number system consists of millions, which further split into millions, 10 millions and 100 millions. And the next fourth period of this chart shows billions, in which numbers split into billion, 10 billion, 100 billion. So here we learn 4 periods of international place value system. These periods are units, thousands, millions and billions. I repeat it again. You also repeat with me. Units, thousands, millions, billions. And in this place value chart, the big numbers are grouped 3 of each period. Which period? Units, thousands, millions and billions. In international place value, we use commas after every 3 digits from the right. Earlier we used commas to group the numbers into units, thousands, millions and billions. But now in the international place value chart, commas are replaced by the space. Now we use spaces after every 3 digits from the right to left. To understand more easily, I explain you some examples. See this image. In this image, I have the numbers which consist of 10-digit number, and I use place value chart and represent all the digits into their groups from right to left. So you can see the number in which 9 at 1's place, 7 at 10 place, 6 at 100 place, 5 at 1000 place, 2 at 10,000 place, 4 at 100,000 place, 3 at million place, 8 at 10 place, 1 at 100 millions place and 9 at billion place. Now you can read the number by using this place value chart easily. This number will be 9,183,425,679. Similarly, you can see some more examples of different number in place value chart. Similarly, you will place all the values in their group and then you will read the number. As you can see, I use commas to group the numbers into units, thousands, millions and billions. See the first number, we will read 1,987,425,679. 654,321. The next number you will read 987,654,321. And the last one 4,190,572,608. As you know, students, the smallest 9-digit number is 100 million. And the greatest 9-digit number is 999,999,999. So, how can you get a billion number? If we add 1 in greatest 9-digit number, 999,999,999, then we will get 1 billion. Now we have to solve some questions. First question, write the number in words. We have given question in figures and we have to write these number in words. See the first part and count the number of digit. We have 7-digit number. First of all, we will draw place value chart and read the number of digit in given number. In 7-digit number means you will group this number into units, thousand and millions, means in 3 groups. Which groups? Units, thousand and millions, from right to left. So we will place all the values at unit place, at thousand place, and at million place. So the number will be 1,500,000. According to place value chart, we will read this number 1,500,000. See the next question. We have 10 number of digit number and we have to write this number in words. Similarly, we will count the number of digits and group them in 3 from right to left. In place value chart, I group these digits in 4 groups. Units, thousands, millions and billions, from right to left. Zeros at unit places. Again, at thousand places we will put zeros. 9 at million, 2 at 10 million, 4 at 100 million and 3 at billion. Now we will read this number as 3,429,000,000. I repeat it again, 3,429,000. 3,429,000. See the next question. Question number 2. Now we have numbers in words and we have to write them in figures. But keep remember, in question we have to give the number space correctly. Keep remember that we use here space instead of commas to show the group of numbers in units, thousand, millions and billions. We will use space to group the number properly. First of all, 840 million means we have to move from units to million groups. So we will draw place value chart. And write the digits accordingly. Now see, we have 840 million and have not given values at thousand and units. So we will place zeros at units and thousand place. Now you can see the number below the place value chart, 840 million. Spaces show the group of the number 840 million. See the 6,406,320,807. First of all, you will draw place value chart into 4 groups: units, thousand, millions and billions. 7 at unit place, 0 at tens place, 8 at hundred place, 0 at thousand place, 2 at 10,000 place, 3 at 100,000 place, 6 at million, 0 at 10 million, 4 at 100 million and 6 at billion. So you can see the number below the chart. We have write this number in figure as. By using space, we will write the number as 6,406,320,807 as shown in the image. Hopefully, you will understand the numbers up to 1 billion and how can we write such number in words and figures. Do this more and more for your perfect concept. Do question number 6, 7 and 8 as your homework. All the best. Thank you.